So here's the yarn I've been talking about. It's toucan yarn, which is a number 6 super bulky weight chenille yarn by Hobbii yarns. And this is a really gorgeous color. I believe it's called plum. And let me show you. So I started by fooling around with a heart motif offset stitch pattern in this yarn. I worked up the stitch pattern even in rows with an 8mm crochet hook to make sure I like the spacing between the hearts. I've got a chain 3 in between each of the heart motifs. And then once I did that, I decided to convert the stitch pattern into increase in rounds with a 4-corner repeat so that I could make a square. I thought it would be fun to start in the center and with 4 increasing corners make this beautiful stitch pattern into a square Afghan. Hopefully you can see that better from this angle, with this lighting. So I'm about 60 inches square right now, and in the next couple of rounds I'm going to decide to switch over to a solid double crochet stitch. I'll continue doing the increases in the corners, but instead of doing the stitch pattern, I'll do double crochet to make a solid border. And then the Afghan will be done, and I will finish writing the pattern with written instructions and a detailed chart.